Hi, I'm Quinn.
Hi, I'm Scott.
Hi, I'm Adrian.
And we're the Law Boys.
Hey boys, did you hear about the Barton v Armstrong case?
Hang on a sec, that's the one about, it's Duress to person and contracts, isn't it?
That's the one.
That's it, yeah.
Let's go and have a look, shall we?
Let's do it, boys.
Barton and Armstrong are rival businessmen and shareholders in the same company. The pair have organised a meeting where Armstrong will sell his shares in the company to Barton.
Look, you're going to sign this contract, alright? And if you don't, I'm taking you down to Pound Town, kid.
But Armstrong, that's Duress.
What do you think the point of this episode is?
Okay, now here's where things get interesting. Armstrong goes and hires a hitman. And I'm not even joking with you, he hires a genuine hitman to go and scare the hell out of Barton. And here's how it goes down.
Hey, are you the guy who can help me with my problem?
Capiche, comrade? This is what I am.
Is it going to be enough?
What is this, future money? We are from the 60s.
Look, it doesn't matter, okay? There's this guy called Barton. I need you to go and scare him for me.
Okay, I can do this.
Who are you? What do you want?
So, of course, Barton signed the contract.
And you think this has been cool? Wait till we go to court.
Alright, let's get this over with. The Privy Council calls into session the case of Barton and Armstrong. The facts of this case are that Mr. Armstrong has hired a hitman to induce Mr. Barton into signing a contract. Mr. Barton, what do you have to say for yourself on this matter?
Your Honor, if it pleases the court, I have evidence that I can
It would
present.
please the court if you speak when spoken to, Mr. Armstrong. Can we hurry this up?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Armstrong did in fact hire a hitman to intimidate me into signing the contract.
Mr. Barton, would you have signed the contract if not for the influence of the hitman?
No, yeah. Yeah, actually, I would have. It was a really great deal. I definitely would have signed.
Okay, let me get this straight. So Armstrong's hired the hitman to make Barton sign the contract, but it was a really good deal, and Barton would have signed the contract anyway, even if the hitman hadn't done a single thing. Okay. Judge mode, let's go. Okay, I'm making a ruling in duress to person that the duress only needs to be part of the reason that the plaintiff has signed the contract. It doesn't need to be the only reason or even the main reason. Okay? I find in favour of the plaintiff Barton. Court adjourned.
So, Barton would have signed the contract even if not for the duress. However, Privy Council holds that the threats were a reason for contracting, even if not necessarily the main reason. Therefore, because of the duress to person, the contract was held to be voidable, meaning Barton had the right to exit the contract.
So, duress to person forms one of three categories of duress, the others being economic duress and duress to goods, which talks about property and money respectively. Barton and Armstrong is the key case in determining specifically duress to person, and the rule, which is the main thing you need to remember out of this, was that A, the purpose of the defendant's actions was to induce a contract, and B, the action was a reason for the plaintiff contracting.
Wow, that was interesting.
That sure was.
Damn, we sure did learn a lot about Barton and Armstrong and Duress to person.
And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe button.
See you next time.
We've been the Law Boys.